Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we learn English grammar in easy way. Today we will talk about present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used when something happened in the past but it is connected to now. It is still relevant. The structure is have and has plus past participle. Has and have are auxiliary verbs and we use third form of the verb. Have is used with plural subjects like I, we, you, they. Has is used with singular subjects like he, she, it, etc. Let's use one example. She has baked a cake. You see, she is singular subject, so we used has. And baked is third form of the verb. And plural form, they have baked a cake. They is plural subject, so we use have auxiliary verb. Same action, different subject, but the meaning is same. The cake is ready now. We will look at 5 different ways to use this tense with our examples. She has baked a cake. They have baked a cake. First, result in the present. You see a cake on the table. You say, she has baked a cake. Or they have baked. The cake is here now. The action is finished, but the result is still with us. The action started in the past, but it is still connected now. The cake is still with us. It's here, right? That is why we are using present perfect tense. Now, second, for life experiences. Someone asks, has she ever baked a cake? You say, yes, she has baked a cake. Or they have baked a cake many times. It happened sometime before. We don't need to say exactly when. When you don't need to specify time. When you don't need to say it happened yesterday, a month ago, or maybe few hours ago. We use time markers only in past simple tense. Now, third, repeated actions. If the action is repeating again and again, then we use present perfect tense. She has baked a cake every week this month. They have baked a cake for every birthday in the family. So the action is repeating over a time period that includes now. That means this action of baking a cake, they started and it is still continuous. It is still going on. It's still relevant now. Then we use present perfect tense. Now, fourth, action just completed. The kitchen smells amazing. The cake is fresh. You say, she has just baked a cake. They have just baked a cake. Just means the action happened very recently. So then we can specify by just using this word just. Now, fifth example is negative and in questions. They're super easy because we do not need to change form of the verb in these sentences. What if it didn't happen? She has not baked a cake. They have not baked a cake. Do you want to ask a question? Then simply you use has or have in the beginning of the sentence. That means, has she baked a cake? Or have they baked a cake? We use has with she and have with they. As you know, for singulars, we use has, and for plurals, we use have. Now, time to practice. Now, I'm going to give you some examples which you can fill. You can type your answers in the comment section and then we will discuss. I will write answers in the description. Blank. She baked a cake. Do you use has or have? They, blank, just baked a cake. Has or have? They, blank, not baked a cake today. Has or have? Okay, you can write down your answers and you can check description later. That's enough. That is the present perfect tense with just one example. She has baked a cake. They have baked a cake. Easy, right? If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and share with others. And see you tomorrow in next lesson or see you some other time. Have a good day ahead. Thank you so much.